There's a common misconception that you can't get rich quick, but you actually can get rich quick, and there's a little bit more to it. You might have heard of the get rich quick scheme, but this isn't entirely true, because if you put in all the work and you just work as hard as you can, then you will get rich quick. Now, what I mean by this is, for example, I'm posting content here on YouTube almost every single day. Now, if I were to post content just once a week, then I would get rich way slower. But since I'm consistent and since I'm putting in the hard work, I actually see the money come in a lot faster. So you actually can get rich quick, but what you can't do is get rich easy. Now, that's the misconception. You can get rich quick, but you have to put in a lot of work. Now, if you don't want to put in a lot of work, then it'll just take a longer time to make more money. There's no different business models that's just going to work better for you. It's just not how that works. What I do recommend, though, is to be smart about your business. So if you do want to get rich quick, make sure you have a plan and make sure you're staying consistent with it. So for example, I think it's very important to have a personal brand, because a personal brand is what I'm building here on YouTube and on Instagram, and it's where I'm just sharing my experience and then giving value to you guys. And what this allows me to do with my business is it allows me to scale it in the future. So as I grow my account and as I get more followers and subscribers, it'll actually grow in the future, and I'll be able to make more money without having to do the same work over and over again. And these videos just stay online forever. So then if people find this video 10 years down the line, it'll still be very useful. There are a few other things that I find very important if you do want to get rich quick. So for example, I think it's very important to have a mentor. And what this is somebody that'll teach you exactly what you want to know. So say you have a business model and it's social media marketing, or say you want to learn how to grow a personal brand, which is actually what I teach here on my channel. And also there's a link in the description below where you can book a call with me if you are interested in scaling your personal brand. What I do is I teach young entrepreneurs how to make their first 5K online by using organic content. And what I do is I mentor them. And like I said, it's very important to have a mentor, because if you have a mentor, then it's someone who already did what you're trying to do. And if you have someone that already did what you're trying to do, then it just allows you to build so much faster. You don't have to learn everything on your own. And I think it's very important to have a mentor that's more personalized, so it's one-on-ones, which is what I do here, because it just works best. If it's your business exactly, you'll go over your business and you'll scale so much faster. So that's how you can get rich quick. And now another thing that I think is super important to business owners is it's important to also talk to other business owners that are trying to do the same thing. So for example, if you are trying to scale your business right now, if you're a young entrepreneur and you're trying to make your first 5K online, it's probably important to network with other people that are trying to do this, or people that have already done it. So this allows you to see their ideas and then take them for yourself, along with provide them some useful tips as well. Very soon, I'm going to be opening up a group where you guys can do just this. Now, it's going to be a school community. I'm sure you've heard of school. And it's going to be a community where young entrepreneurs can network with each other. And I'll explain to you exactly why networking is important. Imagine I put you in a house with 10 other millionaires, and then you were in there for a month. Now, you would get all the information, you would be able to network with them, and by the end of that, you would have the knowledge to become a millionaire, and then you would become a millionaire after that, because you picked up their mindsets and you know exactly how to become a millionaire. You know what they do, and you know everything about them. So that means that if they're all millionaires, then you would become one as well. All right, so I'm back at my house now because it was just way too windy over there at the beach, and the wind was just blowing out the audio. So basically what I was saying, though, is you are the sum of the 5 people you hang around with the most. Now, everybody knows this, and it is so true. If you have a good network of people that are either more advanced than you or the same level as you, they will push you. So if you have a group of 5 friends that have the same mindset as you, they will all push you and you'll all go in the same direction, which is success in this case. So this is why I actually am building a community now, and after the one-on-one calls with me where I could go over your business directly, we'd actually push you into this community where you can go over anything with the other business owners that are actually just like you. And some of these business owners, they actually scaled to $40,000 a month. And how I learned myself is I actually learned from these people that are making 100K a month, 50K a month. I learned from those people, and that's why I'm getting to where I am today. So if you have a community with these people as well, then you'll also become those people. So like I said earlier, there's a link in the description below where you can book a call with me, where I can go over exactly what I can do for your business. And what I do is I actually help business owners make their first 5K online. And like I said, I do this by giving you guys one-on-ones where I could help you scale your business, and I help you guys make your first 5K. And then the goal is to put you into the community after, and I'll explain all that in that call. So if you're interested in that and you want to actually scale your business, go book a call below, and I'll see you in the next video.